and close your eyes. O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. All of you, please open your eyes. Okay. In last class, we discussed till the two-digit number 29. Are you remembering? Yes. So we discussed already the one-digit numbers. The one-digit numbers are numbers from 1 to 9. Okay. And the smallest one is 1 and the largest one is 9. And last class, we started with the number 20. Okay. So Ishan, please unmute and tell me the spelling of 20. Please unmute, my dear.
W-E-N-T-Y.
T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Okay. Vedic Vinod, 21. Vedic Vinod, please tell me the spelling 21. Tell me the spelling, my dear. What are you doing now? Now you are in the class, no? Vedic, please tell me the spelling.
Which?
21.
21. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 21.
N-E-1. Okay. T-W-E-N-T-Y. O-N-E. 1. 1. Okay. Adna Sunil, 22.
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
T-W-E-N-T-Y. T-W-O. 22. Now 23. 23. Shiva, 23.
T-W-E-N-T-Y. T-H-R-E-E. 23.
Now 24. Rahat Fatima, 24.
T-W-E-N-T-Y-F-O-U-R.
Very good. 24. Henna, 25.
T-W-E-N-T-Y
Huh.
A-I-F-I-V-E.
Okay. Hey Sam, 26. Tell me the spelling 26.
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
Ah. Very good. 26. S.
S-I-X.
Very good. Now next one, 27. Richard, 27.
T-W-E-N-T-Y
Ah.
F-E-V-E-N.
Very good. 27. Then we have 28. Tirtha, 28.
T-W-E-N-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T.
Okay. Ayan Jijo,
28.
last number. Okay. Last number. Ayan, 29.
T-W-E-N-T-Y. N-I-N-E.
Okay. T-W-E-N-T-Y. N-I-N-E, 29. Okay, so today we are going to start the next number. That means we completed 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones. Now, all of you please listen here. We will write after some time. That much time, please listen here. Okay, so I am having 2 bundles of 10. So 2 bundles of 10 means 2 tens. 2 tens is equal to 20. Okay, now 2 tens, 1, 1, 21. 2 tens, 2 ones, 22. 2 tens, 3 ones, 23. 2 tens, 4 ones, 24.
44.
2 tens, 5 ones,
25.
25.
20.
2 tens, 6 tens, 6 ones, 26. 2 tens, 7 ones. And 27. You mute your device and talk. So it will not disturb the other students. Okay. Now 2 tens, 8 ones. 28. 2 tens, 9 ones. 29. Now we are adding one more to this. So we will get another bundle of 10. That we have 3 tens. No? 3 tens. So 3 tens we have 30. Very good. 3 tens and 0 ones, 30. Now 3 tens and 1 1. So 31. Okay, 3 tens and 1 1, 31. 3 tens and 2 ones, 32. 3 tens and 3 ones, 33. 3 tens and 4 ones, 34. 3 tens and 5 ones, 35. 3 tens and 6 ones, 36. 3 tens and 7 ones, 37. 3 tens and 8 ones, 38. 3 tens and 9 ones, 39. Okay. These numbers we have to write today, and in the class we will write up to 35. The remaining numbers, and in the evening you can complete it. Okay, in the evening. So all of you please take a notebook. Please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook, all of you. Let me share the screen. We can write together. Are you ready? Shall we start? If you have space in the same page, you can continue there. Otherwise, you can take a fresh page. Yes. So let's start. We have to draw 3 bundles of 10. So you can see on the board 3 bundles of 10. So what we can write?
30.
3 tens and is there any ones here? Is there any ones? No ones. So we can write 3 tens and 0 ones. Now we can underline this 3 and 0. 3 tens and 0 ones. Basil, where is the notebook? Please draw the bundles of tens and write the number. Three tens and 0 ones. 3 0 30. And the spelling of 30. Number name. THIRTY. THIRTY. 30.
Here come
THIRTY. 30.
man have completed. Ma'am,
Harriet Paul, please unmute and tell me the spelling. 30. Tell me the spelling 30.
THIRTY.
Very good. Now let us see its pronunciation. Okay. Let us see its pronunciation properly.
Thirty. 30.
30.
30.
30.
30.
All of you have completed this one. First one 30. Drawing of bundles of one sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you please listen how we will pronounce this 30.
30. 30. 30.
Now Alden, please
30.
pronounce the word 30.
30. 30.
No.
30.
30.
30.
Okay. Now shall we move to the next one? 31.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Those who have completed, they can continue the number 31. And now please unmute. 31. How many tens and how many ones? How many tens and how many ones? In the number 31. How many bundles I should draw for 31? 3 bundles of 10. And how many one? How many ones? 3 tens and 1. Okay. 3 tens and 1. Let's draw the bundles of 10. Yes, my dear. Yes. Yes. Yes, Arna.
I am the sister. Here is a neat tissue. That's right. Our class is going. Every time. Ma'am.
Yes, yes. It's not clear, my dear.
Here is a neat tissue.
Ah, yes, yes. You can continue. Voice is breaking. So now I've drawn 3 bundles of 10. Then 1. So 3 tens and 1. So we can underline 3 here, 1 here. 3 tens and 1. 31. THIRT1. ONE. Basil, where are you? Where is the notebook? Please draw the bundles of tens and ones and show me. Abel Yunus, tell me the spelling 31.
THIN
No. THI. Uh, uh, uh.
HIRTYONE.
Very good. 31. Okay, please continue. So let us see its pronunciation properly.
Thirty-one. 31. 31. 31.
31.
31. 31.
Yes. Harriet Paul, please tell me how we pronounce. Okay, good. 31. Pronounce 31.
31.
1.
31. Okay, good. Now let's move to the next one. 32. Arshika, how many tens and how many ones in 32? How many tens and how many ones?
310.
3 tens and
2 ones.
2 ones. Let's draw the bundles of 10. Three bundles of 10 and 2 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones. Then let us underline 3 and 2 equal to 3, 2. Alessandra, please unmute and tell me the spelling 32. Alessandra, please unmute and tell me the spelling 32. Tell me the spelling. T.
I
Ah, ah,
O N
ah. 32. So what about the 2?
U. Ma'am, here is raining.
TWO2.
Completed.
32.
32.
Thirty-two. 32. 32.
32.
32. 32.
32. What? Ved Pradap, please pronounce the word. Pronounce the number name.
32.
32.
32. 32.
Okay.
Ma'am, here is raining.
Is Sebastian, where is the notebook and all? Are you drawing the bundles of tens and ones? Shall we move to the next number?
No.
Okay, please complete it.
Ma'am, here is raining.
Here is raining. It's okay. It's okay. So maybe network issue, no? I will forward the notes in the group.
Completed. Ma'am, I can leave.
Yes. If you can't continue, please.
I have completed. Ma'am, complete.
Okay, so we can move to the next number.
Ma'am, not completed.
Not completed. So please complete it. Those who have completed, you can continue the next number, 33.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good, good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
So let's move to the next number.
No.
Okay, you please continue. Rehat Fatima, Taman, Manha Fatima, 192, please turn on your videos.
My videos on, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. You have network issues, that's why. Okay. Now, Niveda, what about the next number 33? How many tens and how many ones, my dear? How many tens and how many
3
ones?
tens
3 tens and
and 3 ones.
good girl. So I already drawn 3 bundles of 10. Let's draw the ones. 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens and 3 ones. Let's underline the 3 and 3. 3 tens and 3 ones is equal to 3, 3, 33. Elon, please tell me the spelling 33. Tell me the spelling 33. T. I can't hear. It's okay. TH, but I can see the lip one. TH. I. THI. R. TY. 33. THREE.
Thirty-three. 33.
33.
33.
33.
33. 33.
Ma'am, I finished. I have finished.
Say, I have completed. Those who have completed can move to the next number. Okay.
Completed.
Very good. Very good.
I have completed.
Okay. Darshak, please pronounce the number. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please. Darshak, please pronounce the number. Tell me the number name. 33. Once again. Once again, Darshak.
3.
33.
33.
33.
33.
Okay. Now, let's move to the next number. Okay. Those who have completed can draw the bundles of tens and ones for the next number. Now, Now we have 34. So how many tens and how many ones? Andrea, Babu, please unmute and tell me. Next number, 34. How many tens and how many ones? 34. How many tens? How many bundles of draw? 10 I have to draw.
I have completed.
See? Those who have to complete, please complete it. Okay. So 3 tens and 3 ones, we have 33. So what about 34?
Complete.
See, 33 having 3 tens and 3 ones. So the next number 34. 34 is 3 tens and 4 ones. 3 tens and 4 ones. Now let's draw the bundles of tens. Now 3 ones. Already we completed. Now we have to draw 4 ones. So 3 tens and 4 ones is equal to, let's underline this 3 and 4. 34. THIRTY FOUR.
Thirty-four. 34. 34.
34. 34.
34.
Darsh Krishna, please pronounce this 34. Number name 34.
34.
T
Ah,
H
ah,
I
ah.
R T Y FOUR 4.
Now tell me the number name.
34.
34.
34. 34.
Ma'am, I have completed.
I have completed.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, now you can move to the next number.
I have completed.
Okay, good, good. So till 34 we written in the class. The remaining numbers, that means you have to write up to 39. So the remaining numbers you have to do in the evening. Okay, when you are free, that time you can do it. Aaron, Abel, Adnan, Ayon. Ahlam is present. Ahlam. Aldrin present. Andrea, Anna, Anthony Naiju, Arnav, Arshika, Ayan, Badri, Basil, Darsh Krishna.
Ma'am, which class?
So Nidhi, we have 1 more minute. Please wait there. Okay. Now,
Okay.
Elon, Isa, Harriet, Hannah, Ishan, John Paul, Alessandra, Liz Maria, Manha, Mohammed Hisam, Najm Sagar, Nivedita, Rehat Fatima, Rasha, Richard, Sai Krishna, Sebastian, Shiva, Taman, Tirtha, Ved Pradap, Vedic Vinod. The Ahalam is present. Ahalam is present? No. Then Dhananjay is present. Dhananjay. Mohammed Said.
Yes, ma'am. Hannah present. Yes, ma'am. At the top.
See others, please be quiet. You please listen to me. Mohammed Said is present. No. Then Mohammed Aidin. Then Rayan Chobi.
Present.
Who is present?
Atla.
Adna, I know. Please listen to ma'am. These names which I am calling, I need only that answer. See, Rida Mariam. Okay. So, okay. So, thank you for joining. The remaining numbers you have to do at home. Okay, up to 39. Okay. So, thank you for joining.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.